Well, we are here today at one of the hottest and sweetest businesses on the rise in Savannah, and I say on the rise because we're in a bakery. We're with Sara Graham. She is the owner of the Savannah Scone Company. Sarah, it's great to talk to you again.
Thank you.
The first time we met you was in 2020, and you were operating your business out of your home.
Yes.
You had a cottage kitchen, and now you have grown to your own location and serving I don't know how many customers a day. Congratulations, lots and lots. You were serving like what, 15,000 or making 15,000 of the scones in your home kitchen a year. What are you doing now? Tell us about your business.
We have quadrupled.
Quadruple.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
every day on Facebook we see, okay, we're sold out.
Yes.
By noon, right?
Sometimes our fastest is 40 minutes.
Wow.
From opening the door to everything being gone. We try not to let that happen. We try to have scones for everyone, and what we've done is create the online order system so people can order ahead, so they get what they want, and they don't show up and we're sold out.
Okay, speaking of what people want, you have some great flavors that you offer. You've got the cinnamon roll, which is one of my favorites.
Yes.
You got blueberry, but then you've expanded to also offer savory.
Yes, so we started off with about 6 flavors at the very beginning, and now we're over 120.
Oh my gosh.
And we have traditional British scones, we have American scones, and we have savory American scones. And we make a combination of all those flavors every single day. There's a combination on our website for the online ordering, so you can pick and choose what you want. Before, when we met the first time, you had to buy 8 scones of the same flavor, and that's the only way we could sell them. And now you can come in and buy 1 scone.
Wow.
And you can buy bits. We have savory bits and we have sweet bits, and we have savory scones that a whole bunch of different flavors that we're coming up with now. We're testing Supreme Scone, which is a Supreme pizza scone today, and we have a Sconeroni, which is our pepperoni scone.
Do all these ideas come out of your brain, or
Yes.
is this, oh, okay. So you're
Although
always thinking and dreaming
my team
scones.
does help me. Now that I have a team and we can make more scones, they help me with the flavors, and we sit around and banter and try to figure out other ideas.
So you really need to order the day before if you want to get the scones that you're looking for, right?
Yes, well, there's 16 flavors online. We change that every 2 weeks so we can keep it fresh because we do have so many different flavors. And it is 10 a.m. the day before the order has to be in.
You know, when I first met you, you were so excited about the scones and the scone business, but you are just as passionate today as when you started, maybe even more so. Did you ever get tired of all this? Because you are working really hard, Sarah.
Well, we were working just 2 people at the beginning, and now we're to 5. So it's a little bit easier now. The days were long and they were tiring. We would go home and pass out. But now it's manageable. And so the passion with the flavors I have time for that now. I can come up with more scone flavors and create different ideas. We're looking at some things for lunch.
You also have coffee here too, so if somebody wants to come in and pick up a scone and get some coffee before work.
Yes, we have coffee
that.
and tea.
Nice, okay. Now you explained how you want to expand here. Do you want to create other locations as well? Do you have plans to franchise, or what's next?
We don't have plans to franchise. We do have plans for a location downtown, maybe a small little area that we can bake here and take it downtown, maybe not a kitchen there. We have plans for Pooler and for Richmond Hill. Now, these are not coming immediately, so
I can see our
I don't want the emails to start. But we do have a plan for that, yes.
Awesome. All right, so for people who want to order the scones or they want to find out more about your location, by the way, we're on 65th near Waters. Where do they go, Sarah? What do they do?
They go to savannahsconecompany.com. It's all spelled out. And it says on the front page, order scones, and you click on it and you can order whatever you would like, and we'll hold them. You pick your date and time that you want the scones. You can order up to a week in advance, and they'll be sitting on the shelf waiting for you to pick them up.
Awesome. All right, thank you, and congratulations again, and we can't wait to see where you possibly expand to.
Thank you very much. It's been a wild ride for sure.